China unveils its first stealth spy drone that can fly 40 hours without refueling and scout ground targets from 9,800 feet. China has unveiled its first stealth spy drone that is invisible to radar and can fly 40 hours without refueling. The Skyhawk warplane is capable of taking a clear picture of a car's number plate while flying at the altitude of 3,000 meters 9,800 feet. According to its developer, the unmanned aerial vehicle has been kept as a top secret by Beijing, and this is the first time any footage of it has been released. The Skyhawk, or Chenang in Chinese, is the brainchild of Seahawk General Aviation Equipment Company Limited, which was set up in 2012 by state-run China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation to develop and manufacture military drones. The plane is capable of avoiding radar detection and penetrating key enemy targets in a highly threatening battling environment, says Seahawk in a post on Chinese social media on New Year's Day. The post also released the first video of the spy drone. While the majority of the footage uses computer-generated imaging of the plane, it contains a 10-second real-life clip which captures the drone taking off from an airport in an unspecified location. The drone is equipped with China's most advanced photoelectric aerial platform, according to the plane's deputy designer Wang Jianping, who spoke to China's central television station. The platform contains 7 different cameras, including an infrared camera and a multispectral camera, all of which can turn 360 degrees while spying on enemies without being captured by radar. With a wingspan of 18 meters 59 feet, the planes can reach a maximum cruising altitude of 7,500 meters 24,600 feet and carry 370 kilograms 815 pounds of goods. Its maximum takeoff load is 1.5 tons. The Skyhawk is the 4th stealth drone China has unveiled and was kept as a top secret. Before the latest video, the prototype was only shown to the public once during the China International Aviation and Aerospace exhibition in Zhuhai last November. China Central Television Station reported that a factory in Taizhou, eastern China's Xinjiang province, started building a prototype of the plane in November 2017. Last February, its developer Seahawk announced that the drone had completed its first flight a month before. The company also released a picture to show its staff posing in front of the Skyhawk prototype, but the plane was purposefully obscured. At the time, the plane's chief designer Hongzhong said, 19–80% of the technologies used in the Skyhawk are new, including some that are the world's firsts. Chinese scientists announced last March they had built an assembly line to mass-produce cutting-edge supermaterials that could render objects invisible. It was widely speculated at the time that the supermaterials would be used on the country's warplanes, particularly the J-20 stealth fighter jets which were paraded to the public at a flyby last November. Before the Skyhawk, Beijing had unveiled 3 stealth drones. They are the Star Shadow, an attack drone developed by privately owned unmanned aerial vehicle company Star Sharp Sword, which is said to be able to carry up to 2 tons of bombs, and the CH-805, or Rainbow 805, which is designed to be a target drone for the training of Chinese Air Force soldiers.